about that, I want to look at what's coming out of the box and install. You know me, I look at the box, I see what I see, I love it, and I install it. Woo! This is the stuff I'm telling you about. You know me, I love lights and anything that glitters and hard work. Yeah. Okay, so today's item is called the Ellis Place 12-inch LED flush mount. LED flush mount. I love LED. You know, it saves much energy and it's very efficient. So today, this is a fixture that is chrome finished with clear acrylic shade. You don't have to replace the bulb of this Ellis Place 12-inch LED flush mount. Perfect for ceiling, perfect for walls. You know, the actual size is 6.25 inch high and 12.25 inch diameter. On this box, I was looking at something, right? I like French, so I'm gonna try to see if I can read French to you guys. Don't laugh, okay? Comment ça va? Yeah, I know that one. Ellis Place l'appareil de LED de installation Alras 348 cm. How about my French? So, you know what's next. Let's go check what's the content of these beautiful products. Now, and if you're new to my channel, you know what to do? No, you don't know what to do. I'll tell you. Click that like button over there and smash the subscribe button. Please, can you do that for me? Smash the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel because I love making this video for you. Subscribe, share this video also. Alright, it's time to dive into our Ellis Place 12-inch LED mount light. Okay, let's see what's inside of it. And the main light. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Look at this. 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 This is so good. I have not even installed it. I am just, I am just looking at it and look at how good this light is. I love it. And it's LED. Wow, look. It's got the X over there. And you can actually connect this to your house wiring system, and it goes like so. So now we're gonna go install this. It should be easy. Remember, let's go install it. So before we start the installation, we need to look over all the tools that we're gonna need. This is called the pre-installation planning. Tools that are recommended, alright. These tools are not included, okay, but they are recommended that the tools you're gonna need to complete this installation. There you go. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, you're gonna need a plier, you're gonna need a ladder, of course, you're gonna need a drill, you're gonna need electrical tape, safety goggles. Like I always tell you guys, be protective of your parts. Hammer, pencil, right? And these are the fixtures that that's included. These are the hardware included in the box. You're gonna see the crossbar assembly. You're gonna see the outlet box screw, the wire connector, the wall anchor, the self taping screw, and that's pretty much it. And then these are the installation procedure right here. First thing is to install the crossbar assembly. Second thing to do is to install the self taping screw. Next thing is to install the lanyard, and I think that's pretty much okay. The fourth thing is making the electrical connections. Fifth thing to do is assembling the flush mount body to the outlet box, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's go to the action site now and go do the actual installation. So before I do the on installation, right, I just want to show you what I am replacing. I like these also, but honey, you gotta go. I like it, but your time is up. So this is what we're replacing today. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on installing it. All right, so again, safety first. Before you do anything with electrical equipment, you know what to do. What do you need to do? Huh? Okay, yeah, you got to shut the circuit breaker off or remove the breaker. All right, you turn it off from the wall and you remove the breaker, because yeah, you got it. You only have this one life. You don't have another one. You don't want to be electrocuted, okay? So be safe. Turn off the circuit breaker. Turn off the circuit breaker, and then you go ahead. So also protect your eyes, all right? You don't want debris falling in your eyes, you know? So let's start. All right, so with this flush light LED mount, it came with its own crossbar, right? So I just removed the old light in there. First thing to do in installing this, right, is to take off the crossbar from the light. You just take it off, right? Unscrew it. You unscrew it on two ends, and you just turn it and take it off. And then once you're taking it off, you then install it to the ceiling, just like so, right? We're lucky that the mounting bracket that's already there, the screw holes align with this crossbar. So what we're gonna do is take off the old support bar and replace it with this LED crossbar. So that's what we're doing right now. The next thing is to do the connections. All right. So when doing this connection, you're gonna be really close to the ceiling, and you're gonna need something to hold this light up while you make the connection. Reason is because the connection cables, they're in the right size, right? But if you're trying to do this stuff with both hands while nothing is holding your lights, it's gonna be under tension. So you need that second body or that second device that can hold this light from the bottom while you do the cable connections. Okay, So I'm just letting you know that ground cable, this is a ground cable. You see it does not have any shield, no plastic shield, right? This is the neutral cable, it's always white, and this is the live cable, all right, the black cable, all right. It may have been painted over, right, in your own apartment, but you gotta look at it very closely and make sure that's the black cable. So the black cable is the live cable. That's the one that really carries the current, all right. And the white one is the neutral, all right. So positive, negative, all right, or charge. Your connection is going to be like so. Black to black, right? And white to white, right? Let's see if it's gonna stay. White to white, right? And this guy right here, this is the ground, right? Ground to ground, right? You following? Ground to ground. And there's a fourth one on the device that is also a ground cable, okay? It's the ground cable for the fixture, the frame, right? That goes on this crossbar. Let's go ahead and do that installation, okay? White to white, black to black, ground to ground. The ground is the one that has no shield, no plastic shield, and the other ground is the one that goes on the crossbar. All right, let's do it. So that's how to install that Ellis Place 12-inch LED mount. Right? It's pretty, it's beautiful. You don't have to replace the light in it because it's mainly LED. You can use this thing for years. But thanks for watching and see you in another video. But before you go, if you have not subscribed, you know what to do. Click it. It's right here. Yeah, right. Yeah. No. Yeah. Right there. Click it. Listen to here if you've clicked it. Okay, yeah, you did click it. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.